Okay, here's how I make kimchi at home the easy and lazy girl way. First thing first, get your hand on napa cabbage, wash it properly, and cut them in bite-sized pieces. Then you make a salt brine where basically you use salt and then the washed napa cabbage. Leave it on, cover it for an hour. It reduces in size. Then I make a paste using gochujang and spring onion plus some salt. That's all. The part that I missed is I mix the paste with the cabbage, leave it outside like in an airtight container for an hour or two, and then put them in the fridge for 3 days without touching it. That's it.